Looking to rent a dumpster? Here are a few things to consider when planning your next debris removal project. The size of your roll-off dumpster will depend on the scale of your project and the type of material you plan to throw away. Having a general idea of how much debris you will have will help you choose the right container for your needs. The cost of your dumpster will vary by size and weight, so make sure to ask about the weight limit included in the price to choose the best dumpster for your budget. Next, make sure the pricing structure and terms are clear. Does the hauler charge a flat rate that is all-inclusive, or a variable rate, which may include additional fees? Lastly, it's time to schedule a delivery date and wait for your dumpster to arrive. So when you're ready to kick off your next debris removal project, give Dumpsters.com a call. We make the process of renting a dumpster simple, providing an individualized rental solution to fit your needs. Dumpsters.com. Clear the way for what's next.